Hey everybody. This is the first video in a new series that I'd like to do on some foundational concepts in biology. While I've got some time off, I was looking through some of my old biology books, and two of the ones that I thought were the most readable and made most sense: The Way Life Works by Malin Hoagland and Bert Dodson, and my old cell biology book, The World of the Cell by Becker, Kleinsmith, and Hardin. So both of those, unfortunately, are out of print or old. You could probably find newer versions of them. Either way, I'm going to read, I'll probably read a little bit out of them and highlight some of the things in them, because I think they really, the authors have done a really good job of simplifying biology and making sense out of really difficult concepts, advanced concepts, and making them understandable. And that's really what my aim is to help people understand biology for many reasons. One, because I teach anatomy and physiology, and I want people to be able to really understand it, not just memorize vocabulary words. But also because right now, with the COVID-19 pandemic, I'm seeing online all these bogus ideas about treatment, and always there's stuff in the media and scams and all kinds of things going around that if you just have a really basic foundational knowledge of biology, you can avoid wasting money on treatments that don't work or could be dangerous, or spending time learning advanced concepts to try to understand physiology without understanding some of those basic concepts underlying it. It's going to be really helpful. At least that's my hope. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is water, having an understanding of water and why life is so dependent on water. Water is just this simple molecule, you probably know, H2O. But what that means is that it's two little hydrogen atoms bonded covalently to an oxygen atom. But it's covalently bonded, so it shares the electrons by definition, but it doesn't share very evenly. Oxygen hogs the electrons, and so there's this charge that it's more like oxygen has more negativity around it because of the negative charge of the electrons than the hydrogen. So the hydrogen side of the molecule is going to be a little bit more positive, and the oxygen side is going to be a little bit more negative. And that allows it to have all these characteristics that allow for life to work. So it allows for temperature stability, it allows for cohesiveness, it allows for water to be this universal solvent. With anything else with a little bit of a charge comes into the water, and water can kind of break it apart because of that unevenness in its charge, that the way that the hydrogen molecules are a little bit more positive and the oxygen's a little bit more negatively charged, lets these things take place that can all mix together and be a platform for how life works. All of the biochemistry, all of the physiology that's really just biochemistry in a living organism is because of water and this what they call hydrogen bonding, the bonding of the slightly negative or positive charges around the ends of water molecules with the other water molecules. So I'll have more on that later, but for now you can just kind of think about how amazing water is, and it's really because of the chemistry of water. The molecule itself is really special, it's really unique in the universe, and it allows for amazing things to happen. Basically all of the biochemistry that makes life grow and evolve and metabolize and work